Yun. So, anyway, meron pa tayo dito, no? Mga sir, try nyo mag-Motokana to improve your riding skills in riding. Galing ito kay Smooth Operator. Have the three of you tried Motokana? Do you know what Motokana is?
Yes, I know what Motokana is. Actually, I personally haven't tried Motokana, but I've been doing the Shell Advance Challenge, and also we're trying to get the group. Actually, we did bring the group out in the racetracks already before with track days.
We have one member na nag-Motokana.
Yes, I think there is a member in the group that's doing Motokana.
Yeah, you should try Motokana. I would strongly recommend Motokana. It's a totally different thing. If you feel that you've tried the racetrack, testing your skill in a racetrack is another story. But testing your riding skill in Motokana is completely another story.
This is more like a obstacle course.
Yeah, but for every Motokana, it's a different course. You can never see a course that is being used again. So if you feel that today, I have mastered this course, maybe in the next course they'll be coming up with the same course. No way. On the next, it's totally another new course. So try Motokana, guys. You will improve your coordination, your everything. Motokana is being run by NRA, National Racing Association. Yes. It's being run by Michelle Swan right now, because Sir Jake is kind of on a vacation mode. Yes, Eric, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Actually, haven't joined Motokana, but I had the pleasure of watching previously in 2009 in SM South Mall.
Yes.
And I think Sir Jobert was the one hosting it.
Yes. No, I think Sir Jobert was in the technical team during that time. So if you really feel that you know how to handle your bike, try it.
Is it open to any kind of bike?
Yes, it's open to all kinds of animals. to big guys, to small guys, to medium guys, to super XL guys. You know this Smooth Operator? He's double your size. But when you see him on his bike riding in a Motokana course, you will say, oh, he's really smooth. I was the one who gave him that name, Smooth Operator. He's really a big fellow. But when you see him doing his course, and when you see him, to the left and to the right,
yeah, I guess we have convinced us enough. So to Smooth Operator, Team LS2 will see you in the next Motokana.
Yan, kita mo. Kaloy ha, ako may dala niyan ha. Ito si Monster naman, Giant. Anyway, I heard that Eric, sabi nga niya 2008 ang umpisa ng kanyang serious riding, no? Of course, way back pa nag-ride din siya. So, anong ibig sabihin ng serious riding? I heard that you've been trying to tour the whole Philippines, the whole country.
Yes, sir. Ever since I had my own motorcycle, medyo may na-rediscover akong passion, which is traveling.
Alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with the group. But most of the time alone.
Yeah, he's the loner of the group.
He's the loner of the group.
Yeah, but that's just him. That's just how he is.
So why? Paano kung masiraan ka? Where do you run for help?
Siguro yun yung isa sa mga exciting parts ng trip ko lagi. Ayun, so,
waiting to have a breakdown.
Fortunately, hindi pa naman ako nasisiraan, pero sometimes I actually wish for it. Kasi, kumbaga, andun yung adventure.
Ganun. Talaga? Sir Joel, basahin mo. Pag hindi raw ma-approve ka.
Sir Joel, pabati naman buong team para daw approve. Leave mo. Oh yeah. Hi to the whole PHUK data family of KGB Philippines. Hello. Boss, thank you. Thank you for the leave. I'm here.
At saka ito, sabi ni Derek Jen, gusto ko LS2 mas gwapo ang design. Tama nga yung sinasabi mo kanila, Leo, no? siguro it's more appealing to the younger generation. Di ba? Anyway, a while ago you were saying, I heard from Joel that there are also Team LS2 internationally.
That's right.
There's also Team LS2 in UK and in the States.
Actually, the group, when we were forming the group, there has already been a Team LS2 established in Brazil, and a Team LS2 Team Motorrad in the UK, which is being headed at that time by Nicky Coates. He was the racer from the UK. When we connected with LS2 UK, it was through Carly Brown. It was through Carly Brown, who is one of the supervisors of the facility in the LS2 UK. And then she hooked us up with Nicky Coates, and they've been supporting the team ever since.
So LS2 is an UK brand, not a US brand.
No, actually, LS2 is a European brand.
So European so it's a
brand.
UK thing.
They've been very famous up in Germany, the UK, Brazil, and France.
So Leo, how long have you been riding?
I started 2006.
2006.
Yung sa ano lang I started kasi talaga with MCT. And then I started to read a lot of threads kasi at that time. Then unang kilala ko talaga niyan si Eric, si TPH at that time. Doon rin ako na-inspired for being yung solo rider. When I saw his trip yung mga around North Loop and also yung Visayas, Panay Loop to eh. Then I also started na rin, doon na rin ako nag-start going solo ride, nakapag North Loop na rin, nakapag-ikot-ikot na rin, but mostly in Luzon. The farthest na napuntahan ko for Visayas is Cebu.
But your family is from Pampanga.
My dad is from Tarlac, and also my mom is sa Aklan.
Kasi ang David family is...
That's right. Tarlac.
Oh, di ba?
That's right.
Halos lahat yan Kapampangan.
That's right. Pero hindi ako natuto talaga with Kapampangan. Even with Bisaya, hindi rin ako marunong.
Hindi ka rin marunong.
Kasi pinanganak ko Antipolo na talaga.
Okay. Punta naman tayo dito sa ating big guy. Yeah, Joel. Ikaw, Joel, how long have you been riding?
On serious riding, which is, when I say serious riding, when I started touring, this is a year after I got here in the Philippines. Actually, I was never into motorcycles before in the States. All my cousins was, and my relatives, they have Ducatis and all these big bikes. I was really into cars. But then when I transferred here in the Philippines, everybody was telling me, bro, you should tour the Philippines. It's a pretty good place. I said, so what's the best way to tour the Philippines? Which is, I discovered the two wheels. Because 4 wheels,
yeah, you're gonna die. Traffic, gasoline,
yeah.
Parking,
So when I got into 2 wheels, I was introduced to my original club, which is Club Sibivante through Leo. Actually, we got our training as a newbie at that time for the 2 wheels. I got my training from him. So everything I learned, everything I know, came from him and the other elders of the club.
Oh, don't call them elders. That's only reserved for seniors.
Ay, kuha Tata Ed.
Tata Ed.
Tata Ed, if you're listening.
Ayan, kita mo, ang babae sila. Sila, Tatang Ed pa tawag sa'yo. Ako, senior. Di ba? Kasi, alam mo, nung pumila yan para sa ICC sticker, dinala yan sa senior name.
Tata Ed.
So you guys, sabi nga kanina ni Eric, so you'll be coming up with another ride hopefully before the year comes to a close, no? So any plans naman of doing some social activities like something like what RFAC is doing, or any plans of doing that na maghahanap kayo ng mga solo rider na naka-orinola pa yung mga ulo nila para ipalo nyo na to. Oh, ito LS2, sa'yo na! Di ba?
Actually, the Team LS2 members are most most, if not all, are frequent RFAC.
You're
volunteers,
RFACers, huh?
Yes.
You're members of RFACers.
A lot of us. Actually, as part of our support for RFAC, for their initiation as into membership, into the team, we have opened joining an RFAC mission. If they will sign in under the team name, which is Team LS2, and then they submit it to us, and then we will use that into their initiation as also part of their activity with the team.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Eric.
Siguro sir, just to reiterate, as you mentioned earlier, part of the requirements to be an official member would be a couple of rides and a couple of meetups. But since we are in full support of, well, most of us are in full support of RFAC, if you attend an RFAC event, it is considered a Team LS2 event already.
But
Oh,
if you sign
okay.
in under team,
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So, a while ago, I was airing that RFAC is looking for volunteers for their repacking. Yeah. So, Tatang Ed, Senior Ed. Tumutulak talaga. Kasi, napakamahirap mag-switch, you know? Oo, siguro masaya trip natin sa Cebu nito. Tayo tatlo. Anyway, guys, see how time flies? Yeah, only 7 minutes to go. So, I think I have to give you time to greet all your lucky back ride, your single back ride, your only back ride, according to you guys, your only back ride. So, and all your friends, dahil baka mamaya sa Facebook mamatay kayong tatlo sa kantsaw, nakalimutan nyo sila patiin, di ba? So, who will go first?
Yeah.
The first comer or?
I'll go first. I'd like to say hi to all Team LS2, Club CB110. My son is lapit na yung birthday now on October 4, so happy birthday. All Trojan Prime members, hi na rin, and also to my family, hi.
Yeah.
Because sa kanila, they tune in sa
Oh, at saka
live streaming.
sa live streaming. Ayan yung camera. Mag-hi ka dyan.
I'm not
Yeah.
sure if you're viewing, pero binigay ko sa inyo yun.
www.dcme1530.com. Pwede pa humabol. Okay, Eric, next.
So ko na mag-hi sa mother ko. She's listening right now. And also to my babe, Belle.
Hi, Belle. Belle, he's loyal, Belle, you know. Only you, Belle. Nobody else.
Loyal and faithful.
Yeah, loyal and faithful. That's the correct term, Belle. Huwag ka mag-alala, Belle. Hindi kami magre-ring ng bell dito.
Sigurado na hindi niya